Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And yes, I don't know if I'm in focus, so please cooperate if something goes wrong how I'm trying to say, if it is in focus or not. Okay, so anyway, today's video is just going to be about how I started blogging and my blogging journey. And today it's 23rd Feb, and today I complete 4 years of blogging, which is so like wow, because I never thought I'll do it for this long. When I first started, I was like, it's just like a random thing which I wanted to do. But then now I'm doing it for 4 years, which is so freaking amazing, and I cannot wait to tell you everything in detail. So it started off on 23rd Feb 2014, and when I was just, in the YouTube zone where everyone was just YouTubing and doing all that stuff. And I saw Zoella and other bloggers such as Tanya were, and we had Victoria in the fro, and we had Sprinkle of Glitter. So they all they were blogging and obviously vlogging. Also, they are like mega YouTubers and bloggers. So I was just going through their videos, and I was like watching all these videos, and I remember I was like, I want to do something like this. I want to do something creative. So I saw a video of Zoe's in which she was talking about how you can start your own blog. So I saw this and I was like, oh my god, I want to do that. And then I think, I just started. I just didn't think anything about it. I first made my blog on blogger.com, and I remember I said my dad that I want a domain. So he immediately went and purchased a domain for me, which is still the same today, which is urvee.co.in. And yeah, this is how I started. But in the first year of blogging, I literally didn't knew like even 1% of it, like just didn't knew anything. I was like, I want to do something. I want to write my thoughts and just put it out to the world and just share my opinions and all that stuff. So I did that, and I mean, in the first year I was just like, what the hell am I doing? What the hell am I supposed to write about? What am I supposed to talk about? Blah blah blah. And I mean, in the first 2 years I was just like blank of like, okay, like I see these people doing this, I see these people doing that, I don't know what the hell should I do, or. So then I did my research. I literally went on every I don't know what blog posts and even YouTube videos about like how to I literally searched each and everything. I searched about that time. I didn't really knew about the niches and all that thing, otherwise I would have dived right in. But for my website designing, especially on Blogger, I was like, I could see those website designs and I was like, oh, I don't think I want to spend that much because I wasn't really focused on blogging. So I was like, design my website by myself by the coding things like HTML scripts and all that stuff. I searched all of them, and then I added codings by myself of the sliders and all that, like recent post widgets, Instagram post widgets, all that stuff. I did them by myself, and that's how I maintained my website for at least first 2 years, which was, let me tell you, which was a pain, and I literally didn't like it at all. I hated it so freaking much. But then it's okay. I wasn't an expert in coding and all that stuff, but for those 2 years I was like really good with the web thingy, like the website things and coding and all that stuff, and I literally don't know anything right now. So that was that. For the first 2 years I didn't really knew anything. I was just observing things, and I was observing how it is done. And yeah, I mean, I literally did so much of research in these 4 years. So the third year, it was fun. That's where my graph started kind of growing. So in third year I kind of got to meet a few people in this blogging industry, and I think that's from where it took off. I think I started to post more seriously, because in the first 2 years I was just like, what the hell am I supposed to do? And then the first 3 years, and then the last year, I mean, yeah, from last web to this web, I kind of came to know about like, oh, so you're supposed to do this, you're supposed to do that, oh, I'm supposed to go do this, something like that, you know what I mean? Even about a blog post or an Instagram and all that stuff. So I kind of did that, and then I think in last May or June I reached 5k, which was so great. And then I started writing blog posts, kind of little bit seriously. I am not gonna say like extremely seriously, but yeah. And this is like the 4th year, and then the 3rd year things started to change. I started getting brand deals, which was like, I didn't really think I was gonna get paid, because I was just like, I don't know who's gonna pay me. People don't think I'm worthy enough. So I did that, and then I started earning from, I think, May or June last year. Yeah, probably from May. And yeah, that's where I am now. And this is kind of like an overview of it. However, it is like much more behind what, like, it goes much more behind what you can see, and I love it. But just to cover things up, I cannot even say how amazing it is to design everything from my website. I've learned so much. I don't know, like, what you can say, the evolution of everything is just so changing, and I cannot wait to bring so much more quality content for everyone who is following me on YouTube, Instagram, or my blog. I am trying my best, and I will try my best forever to, write good stuff on my blog, post good photos, and maybe on my YouTube channel too. And for that especially, on my YouTube channel, I decided to make a business series on my YouTube channel, obviously about especially everything around social media and digital marketing and all that stuff, via affiliates, and or how you can earn money through Instagram, how you can earn money through your Facebook or YouTube, or even affiliate marketing and all that stuff. So I want to make those videos, so let me know what do you think about them, because they are amazing. I have a really good stuff written down for you, because I have, like, let me tell you, the amount of research I've done is just like numerous, especially about Instagram. I literally know almost everything about Instagram. So let me know if you're interested, and I'll tell you all of them in the next series of videos, because if I keep on talking right now, we will have to stay here for a few hours, so I don't want you to do that. And yeah, 4 years, I mean, it's a great deal. Next year is 5th year, and I don't know, I don't think I'm stopping anytime soon. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. Thank you so much for your support. If you have read my blog on the first day or 4 years ago, where I talked about myself, and my second blog post was my school's blog post, which I wrote about my school and my school memories, because I passed out from school during that time. So yeah, that was that. And then I think other of my favorite blog posts will be, I don't know, a few wellness and lifestyle bits of blog posts. I really love them. I have also shared a few of like travel photos. I haven't traveled like 3 cities like in the last year, so I mean, yeah, I just shared those photos too. But to go into more depth about the niches and the categories, how to style, design, and what to write about, I'm going to make everything for you available, because I don't want you to do the mistakes which I've done. Like, probably for the first 2 years I didn't really knew anything, and I was just like very like fog, like, oh my god, what should I do? Should I even quit it? Because I was like, nothing is happening, I mean, so then I was like, I don't want you to do the mistakes which I did. So that's why I'm just starting these series, so help you out, and also get a lot of DMs from you girls saying that you want to do this or do that blog and all that stuff, like cameras and all that stuff. So I really want to help all of you, so make sure to check the series out. And yeah, I think I'm talking a lot. That was it, like, that was just it. That I don't know if you like my story or not. It's just normal and simple. And thank you so much for watching, and I will probably see you next Saturday, or if not on Saturday, then there will be an additional video around Thursday. So keep an eye on that, and click the bell thingy. I don't know, click the bell thing if you want my videos to get notified. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe, like, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.